What's up guys? So in this video I will be adding Starlights to the top of this TRD, as well as making everything black. So spray painting the liner black, spray painting the plastic pieces, the visor, the handles, and even the pillars. So everything that I could remove, it will be spray painted black, and the liner here will be all covered in Starlight. So let's see how that goes.
So full disclaimer here, I had no prior experience to doing this. I just looked up some YouTube videos and got a general idea of what to do and just simply went at it. And sometimes I didn't know what the heck I was looking at or if it'll work out, but in the end it actually wasn't so bad. It just takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, but you can do it if you decide to. If you are going to attempt this, just make sure you do take your time and just spot out all the clips or anything that needs to be unplugged. These side pillars were probably the hardest part to remove, and in the end I wasn't even able to remove the seatbelt from it, so I ended up compromising.
Alright, so I got everything out. Everything is unclipped, unhooked. The pillars are out. These are stuck on the seatbelt loop, but I'm gonna make it work somehow. But yeah, let's try pulling this entire thing out. Alright, as I was trying to take off the top liner, just wanted to point out that you want to make sure you take out any wires that are still, this one was attached to this pillar over here, and there's another one back here on both of the back pillars. These wires, just make sure you pull them out.
This part was definitely a bit difficult. You want to be able to remove the liner without bending or creasing it, otherwise it'll damage the liner and you'll have this ugly crease on top. But I managed to do so with bending it, so it wasn't too bad.
Alright, I got this piece out. And it is completely off. This is just bare car now in my brand new Toyota TRD. Right, got all the accessories, plastic pieces right here. That's all gonna get spray painted black. Pillars. And here it is.
To start off, I had to prep the liner for the Starlights. I had to make 400 holes, and do that I just took a thumbnail and pushed it through and marked each hole with a number so I know how much I was working with. Here I'm prepping an area so I can spray paint the liner.
Alright, I have the top liner fully prepared. Already has all the star holes. Now it's just needing to get painted. We are using Duplicolor vinyl and fabric.
Luckily I do have some past experience with spray painting, but if you do want to attempt this and don't, then some advice is just to spray at a constant speed and a constant distance while going in a straight line back and forth and overlapping one after the other. You're gonna have to get crafty if you want to make some parts work. Luckily I do have the tools and the materials to get that done. Here I just simply use painter's tape to cover the parts that I don't want to be spray painted and just cut them out with a razor blade. For the warning labels on the visor, I used a vinyl cutter to cut out some vinyl to cover it up. On to the Starlights. So this unit you can pick up on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. It's pretty much a whole unit that you buy that you can plug into your cigarette port or hardwire. In this case, I hardwired it. This is where patience comes into play. You're gonna be standing here for a couple of hours just pushing through each fiber string and hot gluing them to stay in put. So however you do this, just make sure you have a podcast or some music to listen to, and yeah, have fun. This was an experience that I will never forget. Just staring at this in the dark, you just get this sense of otherworldly feeling. Can't explain it, but it was really comforting being in the presence of these fiber pieces. After 15 hours, the project was complete, and I was totally satisfied by how it came out. Instead of the standard factory gray, I was able to make everything black, and I couldn't be more happier.
I can't get the seatbelt out of here, so this is what I'm left with to do, you know. It's not the prettiest, but it gets the job done.
These Starlights are simply out of this world. I can't believe they look this good. The videos don't do justice, but trust me, they are awesome. It feels amazing to be in, sort of like a spaceship.
So you can change these lights with this app. So make it green, get blue, there's the brightness, and right here you do have a switch. On and off. I did get that separately, so. But yeah, here it is.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below.